Hey everyone, I'm Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com, and this is, I guess, the introduction to a whole new series that we have here on YouTube, and we're calling it PCMasterClass. Pretty catchy title, I'm sure you'll agree. So basically the whole point behind this series is answering them common questions that we get all the time on how to do certain things with your computer, how to do certain things in software. So we're going to kick it off with our first one, which is basically how to activate a Steam code from within Steam, how to essentially redeem a game. So let's jump into it and tell you exactly how we go about doing it. So when we first load up Steam, you'll be greeted with a familiar face. This is the kind of store entrance, as it were, to Steam. Once we're in there, we can simply go to the Games menu, which is in the top left, and click on Activate a Product on Steam. Once you've clicked on that, you will be greeted with a small dialog box, which will just tell you to register your product with Steam and add it to your Steam library. Please enter the product code distributed with a retail CD, DVD, or other Steam product code here. Upon clicking on Next, you are given a subscriber agreement. Now, it's entirely up to you whether you do want to read this, but I will warn you, it is quite lengthy. If you're happy with the agreement and the terms and conditions, you can click on I agree. Once you click on here, you'll then be greeted with another dialog box asking you to enter the product code that you wish to add to your Steam library. You can simply paste this in, or obviously you could type it in if you prefer. Once you've done this, you can continue and click on Next. Once you've clicked on Next, you will then get a message saying that activation is successful. Well, at least hopefully you will. It will tell you exactly what you've actually redeemed, and it's entirely up to you if you'd like to print a receipt here, which obviously you could save as a PDF or just print to your printer. If you're happy with everything, you can continue by clicking on Finish. Once you've clicked on Finish, it will ask you a few little details about installing the game that you've just redeemed. This includes creating a desktop shortcut, a start menu shortcut, and exactly where you would like to install the files, as well as how much disk space is required. Clicking on Next will give you, sadly, another license agreement, but this time it's for the game that you've actually redeemed. Again, you can read through this, but if not and you're happy, you can just click on I agree. Once you click on here, it will start preparing the game for installation, including creating the local game files and actually installing them. You'll then get a message telling you that it's now downloading the game that you redeemed, and you can track the progress of this in the Steam download view. If you're happy with this, you can click on Finish. If you then continue to your library, you'll see the game highlighted in blue and the speed that it's downloading at. We're getting a whopping 7.5 megabytes per second. Down the bottom, you can see it does say downloading, however many items you've actually redeemed, and on ours it says 0 of 1 items complete. Clicking on this will take you to the download view, which will give you all of the information about the game that you've just downloaded, how fast it's downloading it, how long it is remaining, and you can also pause this download if you wish. So that's about it really, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and it gave you kind of an insight as to how simple something is that I guess we get a lot of questions. How do I do this? How do I do that? Well, I've just shown you. It is very, very easy to redeem a game on Steam. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, comment below, and hopefully we'll have a lot more videos in this new series, PC Masterclass. See you later.